The 36th question is, a farmer has circular land. He wishes to construct his house in the form of largest possible square within the land as shown in the figure. So this is the farmer's land and he wanted to construct a house in the shape of square. Now radius of circular piece of land is given 35 meters. So here the questions are given. Find the length of wire needed to fence the entire land. Means we have to find the circumference of the circle. So this is the entire land, right? Find the length of each side of square land on which the house be constructed. So we have to find the length of each side of. So this is the second question. Now third question is, farmer wishes to grow grass on the shaded region around the house. Find the cost of growing the grass at the rate of rupees 50 per square meter. So shaded region around the house. So this one he wanted to construct. He wanted to grow the grass at the rate of rupees 50 per square meter. So that's what we have to find. Next one, find the ratio of area of land on which the house is built to the remaining area of the circular piece of land. So we have to find this also. Ratio of area of land on which the house to be built and the remaining area of circular land. So remaining area. So after constructing this one, so remaining area, this part and this part and this part. Let's find it. Let's redraw the figure. So he has a circular land like this. So he wanted to construct a house in the square shape. Yes. Now, so it is already given that radius of circular field is given. So what is the radius of circular field? Radius of circular field. It is given as 35 meters. So what is the diameter of the field? If radius is 35, diameter will be equals to double of radius, 2 times of radius. Means it is 2 times of 35. So it will be equals to 70 meters. So here the diagonal. So this will, the diameter will be equals to diagonal of the square here. Yes. So diagonal is 70 meters. As ABCD is a square, right angle at each vertex. So in the square, all sides are equal, right? So let all sides, let AB is equals to BC, BC is equals to CD, and CD is equals to AD, all are equal to some X. So this is what. So let's go back to the question, first question. So what is the first question here? Find the length of wire needed to fence the entire land. Means we have to find the circumference of the circle. So let's find the circumference of the circle. Length of wire, no, length of wire needed to fence the land. To fence the land. So this will be equals to circumference of the circle, 2 pi r. So 2 into pi value 22 by 7. R value radius is given as 35. So we can cancel 7 1 7 5 are. So now this will be equals to 2 into 22 44 into 5. So it is equals to 5 for the 20, 5 for the 20, 220 meters. So 220 meters of land is needed to fence the land. Now, what is the second question? It is given. Let's go back to this one. The second question given is find the length of each side of the square land on which the house will be constructed. So we have to find the length of each side of this one. So let's bring this. Hmm. తినను. Mhm. Yes. So what is the second question? The second question is length of each side of square. So here, if you take triangle BCD, from triangle BCD, apply the Pythagoras theorem. So BD square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So BC square plus CD square. So BD is already 70, right? 70 square is equals to BC. So BC is x square plus x square. So 70 square is for 4900. X square is 2x square. So bring 2 left side becomes 4900 by 2 is equals to x square. Now, what is this x square value? 4900 by 2 means it is 2450. Now, x is equals to square root of 2450. Let us do the prime factorization of 2450. 2450. So 5 table first. 5 4s are 20. 45. 5 9s are 45 and 0. Again 5 table. 5 9s are 45. 4 is the remainder. 45 8s are. Next 2 table. 2 49s are. Next 7 table. 7 7. Now x can be written as 2 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. So for these two 5s, one 5 will come out. For these two 7s, one 7 will come out. Only root 2 will be inside. So therefore, x is equals to 35 root 2 meters. So length of each side is 35 root 2 meters. So we can write length of each side of house. Length of each side of square land. Each side of square land or house is equals to 35 root 2 meters. So this is this question. Next, what is the question? The third A question is the farmer wishes to grow the grass on the shaded region around the house. Find the cost of growing the grass at the rate of 50 what is that rupees 50 per square meter. So he wanted to grow the grass on the shaded region around. So where is the shaded region? So here the shaded region is here. This part. Yes. How do we get this part? From the circle area, we have to minus a square area. Then we will get these four equal areas. What are those four equal areas? This one, and this one, and this one, and this one. So these are four equal areas. So now shaded region will be equals to two equal areas. So first of all, let's find uh, this, the remaining part of the land. So third question, third A, third A answer is area of remaining land. Area of remaining land. Remaining land means except the house. So we'll get area of remaining land by circle area minus square area, right? Circle area is pi r square minus square area is side into side. Side into side means 35 root 2, 35 root 2 into 35 root 2. So here it is 22 by 7 into r is 35. So 35 into 35 minus 35 into 35 into root 2 into root 2. So what you can take common from this? So here we have 35 into 35. Here we have 35 into 35. You can take that 35 into 35 common. So if you take 35 into 35 common, so inside the bracket we will have 22 by 7 here, and here root 2 into root is 2. So what is 35 into 35? Let's find. So 35 into 35 is equals to 5 5 is a 25, 5 3 is a 15, 17, right? 3 5 is a 15. So 10, 5, 12. So 1225. Now it is equals to 1225. Now this one multiply the 7th to 22 minus 7 to the 14 by 7. So 1225 into 22 minus 14, 8. 8 by 7. Now we can cancel this. 7 1 the 7 1 the 7. 12 minus 7, 5. 5 1 2, 52. 7 7 the 49. 52 minus 49, 3. 3 and 5, 35. 7 5 is a 35. So now it is equals to, the area of the remaining land is equals to 175 into 8. So 175 into 8. So how much will get 175 into 8? 175 into 8. 40, 60, so 14. So it is equals to 1400 meters square. So this is the area of remaining land. And if you want to find the area of shaded region, area of shaded region. So what is the area of shaded region? It is nothing but 2 parts out of 4. So the remaining land should be divided into 4 equal parts, and in that 4 equal parts, 2 parts is nothing but So area of shaded region will be equals to this 1400 should be divided into four equal parts, and in that two parts is area of shaded region. So now this will be equals to 2 into 1400 divided with 4. So now 2 ones are 2 twos are. Now this will be equals to 1400 by 2 is equals to 700 meter square. So we have to find the cost of growing the grass with the rate of 50 rupees per meter square. So cost of growing the grass. So cost of growing the grass will be equals to rupees 50 into this 700. So which will be equals to rupees 3 5 and 3 zeros. So 35,000. So 35,000 is the cost of growing the grass. Now what is the next question? So third big question is find the ratio of area of land on which a house is built to the remaining area of the circular piece of land. So remaining area of the circular piece of land is already 1400, and now area of land on which the house is to be built means it is area of square. So let's find it. So it is equals to what we have to find, ratio of square land area to remaining land area. So square land area side into side. Each side is 35 root 2, right? So 35 root 2 into 35 root 2. It is a square land. Now remaining area is already we got 1400. Now 35 into 35 and root 2 into root 2 is 2 by 1400. Now let's cancel with 2 table. 2 ones are 2 700. Now this will be equals to 35 into 35 by 70. So here we can cancel with the 35 table. 35 ones are 35 twos are. Now it is equals to 35 by 2. So it is equals to 35 is to 2. So this is the required area. Next 38th question is passenger boarding stairs, sometimes referred to as boarding ramp, stair stair cars are aircraft steps, providing a mobile means to travel between the aircraft doors and the ground. So larger aircraft have door sills 5 to 20 feet. 1 feet is equals to 30 centimeters. So stairs facilitates safe boarding and deboarding. So what is the question here? Yes, aircraft has door sill at a height of 150 feet above the ground. A stair car is placed at a horizontal distance of 15 meters from the plane. Based on the information given, answer the given questions given in part 1 and part 2. So in the question it is given that door sills at a height of 15 meters above the ground. The door sills are at a height of 15 meters above the ground. So this is the 15 meters, and it is given that a staircase car is placed at a horizontal distance of 15 meters from the ground, from the aeroplane. So now this distance is 15 meters. So let's draw the figure here. So door sills are placed at a height of 15 meters, and the distance between the stair car and the aeroplane is 15 meters. So these are the stairs. So we will get a right angle triangle. Now it is 15 meters. Now this is also horizontal distance, also 15 meters. Yes. So what is the question here? First question. Find the angle at which the stair cars are inclined to reach the door sill. So 15 feet above the ground. So we have to find the angle here. So this angle we have to find. So let's apply tan theta here. Tan theta opposite side is AB and adjacent side is BC. So the theta value, that's what we have to find. Tan theta is equals to opposite side AB is 15, adjacent side is 15. So 15 by 15 is 1. Tan theta is equals to 1. So this 1 can be written as, we know that tan 45 is 1. So we can write tan 45. That means after comparing, we will get theta is equals to 45 degrees. So theta is equals to 45 degrees. The stair car is placed at an angle of 45 degrees. Now next question answer. What is the next question? Second, to find the length of stair cars used to reach the sill. So we have to find this AC. So the answer for the second question is this AC we have to find. So you know that AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Let's apply the Pythagoras theorem here. Yes. So AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So AB is 15 square plus 15 square. So it is equals to 225 plus 225. So these are in feet, right? Feet, right? So 225, 225 is AC square is equals to 450. Let us prime factorize 450. 5 nines are next. 5 ones are 5 eights are 2 nines are, so 3 threes are. Now 80 can be written as under root of 450. Now this 450 can be written as under root of 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So for 2 3s, 2 5, they will come out. So inside we will have 2. So now 8 is equals to 15 root 2 meter, sorry, feet. So this is the total length of the staircase. What is the next question? If if the 20 feet long stair is inclined at angle of 60 degrees to reach the door sill, then find the height of the door sill above the ground. So here we have to use the root 3 value 1.732. So if 20 feet staircase is inclined at an angle of 60 degrees. So what is the height of door sill? So that's what we have to find here. It's a new problem. Third year question. So, so the question is given that if 20 feet door sill is, now this is a 20 feet inclined at an angle of 60 degrees. Sixty degrees. A, B, C. Now we have to find this AB. So for that we need to apply sine 60 degrees. Sine 60 is equals to opposite side AB, hypotenuse AC. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. And AB is what we have to find here. AC is already given 20. So now bring 20 left side. Root 3 into 20 by 2 is equals to AB. So 2 on the 2 tens. Now AB can be written as root 3 into 10. So already it is given root 3 value 1.732 into 10. So now AB will be equals to 17.32 feet. The vertical height is 17.32 feet. Next question. What is the next question given here? Next question is given is that what should be the shortest possible length of stair to reach the door sill on of the plane 20 feet above the ground if the angle of elevation cannot exceed 30 degrees. Also find the horizontal distance of the base of stair car from the base. So here it is given that the vertical height is 20 feet and the angle of elevation is 30 degrees, and we have to find the length case and horizontal distance. So let's find it here. So here now if it is 20 feet, if it is 20 feet and it is 30 degrees, so first of all we have to find AC. So for that we have to find sine 30 degrees. So which is BC by AC. So sine 30 is 1 by 2. So BC is 20. AC is what we have to find. Now AC is equals to 20. If you bring AC left side, it becomes AC. If you send 2 right, it becomes 20 into 2. It is AC is 40 feet. So it is 40 feet. Now we have to find the horizontal distance BC. So for that, apply tan 30 degrees. So tan 30 opposite side BC, adjacent side AB. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equals to, so 20 by AB. Bring AB left side, root 3 right side. Now it is equals to AB is equals to 20 into root 3. Now AB is equals to 20. So root 3 value 1.732. So 1.732 into 20. 0, 0, 0, 0, 4, 6, 14. So 0, 4, 6, 3, 4. After 3 digits we have to put point, right? Now it is equals to 34.64 feet. So this is the horizontal distance. Now here 37th question is, in an equilateral triangle side 10 centimeters. So this is an equilateral triangle with 10 side centimeters. Equilateral triangles of side 1 centimeter are formed as shown in the figure. So there are some equilateral triangles inside the big triangle, such that there is one triangle in the first row, three triangles in the second row, five triangles in the third row, as so on. So based on the given information, answer the following questions. How many triangles will be there in the last in the bottom most row? So here it is given in the figure that there are 10 rows. So now what is the list of number of triangles in each row? Let's find it here. So list of number of triangles. So list of number of triangles in each row. So here the list is first row 1, second row 3, next 5, next so and so on. There are, so total number of rows are 10. So number of rows are 10. Here the list is in AP. First term is 1 and the common difference will be second 3 minus 1, which is equals to 2. So now to answer the first question, how many triangles are in the bottom row? So we have to find A10, 10th row. So which will be equals to first term plus 9 times of common difference. First term is 1 plus 9 times of common difference is 2. So 1 plus it is 18. Now 19 triangles in the bottom row. So this is the answer for the first question. So what is the next one? Next question here. Next question is, how many triangles will be there in the fourth row from the bottom? So fourth row from the bottom means we have to find the fourth term from the last. Yes. So yes, to find the fourth row from the last. So fourth row from the last will be equals to n minus 3th, otherwise sorry, fourth term from the last, not fourth row, fourth term from the last will be equals to n minus 3th term from the first. So that means here n minus means there are 10 terms minus 3. So that means it is seventh term from the first. So then we can find number of triangles in the fourth row from the last. So number of triangles in the fourth row from the last will be equals to, it is equals to seventh term. So how you find the seventh term? First term plus 6 times of common difference. First term is 1 and 6 times of common difference is 2. So it is 1 plus 12. So there are 13 triangles. So this is the answer for the second question. Now let's see the next question. Yes. Third A question is, how many find the total number of triangles of side 1 centimeters each till the eighth row. So we have to find a sum of 8 terms in the given AP. So till eighth row, how many terms, total number of triangles we have to find? Yes. So third A question is total number of triangles till eighth row. So that means you will have to SN S8. So what is SN formula? Sn is equals to n by 2 of n minus a plus n minus 1 in, sorry, 2a plus n minus 1 into. So now apply this formula here. N by 2, 8 by 2 of 2a, 2 into a value 1, n minus 1, 8 minus 1 into common difference 2. So 8 by 2, 4 of 2 plus 7 into 2. So this will be equals to 4 of 7 to the 14 plus 2. So 16. Now, so this will be equals to 64 triangles till 8th row. Next. So the next question is, how many more number of triangles are there from 5th row to the 10th row than in the first row to than in the first 4 rows? So how many more number of triangles are there from the 5th row to 10th row? Means we have to find the difference between the number of triangles from 5th row to 10th row, and the first 4 rows, the total number of triangles in the first 4 rows. Yes, let's find it. So third big question, what is AP given here? So 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. So first of all we have to find the total number of terms in the total number of triangles in the 4 rows. Total number of triangles in the 4 rows. Total number of triangles in the first 4 rows. So it will be equals to S4. So which 4 can that can be written as 4 by 2 of 2a, 2 into 1 plus n minus 1, 4 minus 1 into d, common difference is 2. So 4 by 2, so 2 of 2 into 1, 2 plus, yeah, 4 minus 1, so 3 into 2. So this will be equals to 2 into 3 to the 6 plus 2, so 8. So 16 triangles in the first four rows. So now we have to find the now total number of triangles from 5th row to what is given here. We have 5th row to 10th row. Yes. So we get total number of triangles. Total number of triangles from fifth row to 10th row. So that will be equals nothing but S10, sum of total number of triangles from first row to 10th row minus total number of triangles from first row to fourth row. S10 minus S4. So I think already we found S10. S4 is already 16. Now did we find S10? No. So S10 minus S4. So S10, how you find? 10 by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1. 10 minus 1 into common difference 2 minus S4. Just now we got, what is S4? Total number of triangles in the first, so 16. So we can directly substitute 16 here. So 10 by 2. So 5 of 2 plus 9 into 2 minus 16. Now this will be equals to 5 into 9 to the 18 plus, so now it is 20. So 20 minus 16. So now it is 100 minus 16 is equals to 84. So these are the number of triangles from fifth term to 10th term. Now what is the difference? So difference between these number of terms, number of triangles. So difference will be 84 minus 16. So total number of terms from fifth row to 10th term is 84. Total number of triangles from 1 to 4 rows. So 84, 16 next. So 8, 68. So this is the answer for the last question.